Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet stylish ladies handbag designs model. A crochet stylish ladies handbag design refers to a handbag that is handmade using different crochet techniques, yarns and patterns to create stylish and fashionable bags for women. These designs are not just practical but also artistic, blending function with fashion. Design style tote bags show me practical everyday use. Cloth bags for small, elegant, perfect for parties. Crossbody bags for modern and easy to carry. Bucket bags for trendy and chic with drawstring closer. Mini bags, decorative and fashionable, often for casual outings. Stylish details, embellishments like beads, sequins, tassels, springs, or wooden handles. Mixing materials, crochet body with leather handles or metal chains. Use of bold or pastel colors to match outfits and seasons. Fashion appeal, eco-friendly and handmade, gives a unique additional charm. Works well with boho, vintage chic, cottagecore, or even modern minimalist fashion styles. Popular for summer, beachwear, or casual chic looks. A crochet stylish ladies handbag designs is a fashionable accessory where handmade artistry meets modern style, making each piece unique. Here are more detailed tips for creating or styling crochet stylish ladies handbags. Choosing the right yarn and material. Cotton yarn, use soft trouble, perfect for summer or casual bags. Jute or raffia, great for basic, rustic or boho styles. Wool or acrylic blends, ideal for winter bags, gives a structure and warmth. Metallic or glittery yarn, for party or evening handbags. Selecting stitches and patterns, tight stitches, single or half double crochet gives sturdy bags that hold shape. Open or lacy stitches for elegant, lightweight, perfect for summer or decorative clothes. Textured stitches like pom-pom bobble puff adds a stylish 3D effect. Granny scarves or motifs mix colors for a vintage or ritual look. Adding structure, lining the bag, sew a fabric lining to prevent items from poking through or falling out. Inserting a base, use cardboard, wood or plastic canvas at the bottom for shape. Reinforcing handles, crochet with extra layers for combining with leather handles for durability. Accessories and embellishments, tassels, rings or pom-poms adds a playful, trendy touch. Beads, buttons or sequins for evening or party bags. Metal chains or buckles gives a modern, chic look. Color and style tips, monochrome, elegant and easy to match outfits. Pastel colors for soft, feminine, cottagecore or vintage vibes. Bold or multicolor for fun, casual or boho look. Seasonal colors, beige, tan or earthy tones for fall. Bright shades for summer. Size and function small classes, only essentials, great for parties. Medium handbags for daily use fit smalls, wallet, and keys. Large tote ideal for shopping or work. Crochet can make it soft yet stylish. Care and maintenance, hand wash or gentle cycle keeps the yarn intact. Shape while drying. Use a bottle or insert to maintain bag shape. Avoid heavy loads. Prevent stressing, especially for delicate stitches. Layering materials combine crochet with leather, fabric, or canvas for durability and a modern look. Example: crochet body with leather flap or base for a stylish, long-lasting bag. Experiment with handles or straps, long straps for crossbody bags, short handles for hand-held or chick-tote style. Comfortable straps let the bag switch from shoulder to crossbody. Use wooden rings or metal chains for extra flair. Play with shapes, bucket bags, crochet in rounds, easy to add tassels. Boxy or structured bags. Use thick yarn or insert sleeves, lining for a modern aesthetic. Circular bags, trendy, fun, and perfect for casual outfits. Envelope style cloths, sleek and perfect for evening events. Decorative techniques, embroidery on crochet, add flowers, leaves, or abstract patterns. Applique, crochet smaller motifs and sew them onto the bag. Color blocking, combine two or more contrasting yarn colors. Ombre or gradient yarns gives a stylish smooth transition of colors. Functional enhancements and pockets inside or outside for phone, keys, or cards. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!